Hello again, welcome to another video. On the Spectrum Plus 2, just loaded up Treasure Island Dizzy. This is a great game. As a kid I played on the Amstrad though, CPC 464, but it's still a great game on the Spectrum. My mates used to have it. So yeah, it's loaded up. I had a trouble loading it the other day, but I had a comment off a chap, a subscriber, basically saying on the Plus 2 set it to 48k mode, which obviously is basically like the rubber key original version, and it's loaded it. So there's compatibility issues with things, but yeah, that sorted it. So thanks very much for that. And I'll do that. And if a game doesn't load, and I'll switch it to 48k mode. Really good advice. Thank you very much. So, but anyway, really happy. Got Treasure Island Dizzy up and going. Let's put the volume up. And let's have a go. So, what should we go for? Right, let's figure out the keys first. There we go. Let's jump. Right. Let's put the volume up a bit more. It's a quiet game anyway. What's pick up? Alright, enter. Got you. So now we have to drop it. Common mistake is jumping here. You obviously you travel a bit further when you jump, but then you hit the flames and you die. And that's that toothpaste. Toothpaste. Let's go along the bottom first. Yeah, it's the thing about Spectrum. All the colours kind of bleed, don't you, on that level up. Another coin. Yeah, I can't remember. I think there's the Amstrad version of music. What I might do after I've done this is load up the Amstrad when I've got the Amstrad one. I'll do it on the next video. There you go, because that trap will get you. I mean, you know, people watching this might think, what a silly game, but back in the day, there's a trap here as well, I remember. Yeah, there you go. Oh, it's fantastic. You know, picking up stuff and using them to solve puzzles, you know, it's brilliant. I've never completed it because I don't fully know. You take one of these windows off. No, hang on. Right. Let's keep the toothpaste. I don't think he may be an egg, does he? But I don't think he breaks easy, does he? The watch. I don't know if you can get up there. You need a snorkel, don't you, to go underwater? Now I think, if I remember rightly, you use dynamite here, blow that up, get that bag of gold, I think. What's that say? If you're looking for more coins, then try everywhere. You can't always see them. You may have to pick things up to find them. Yep, we know that. Let's go back up here. Yeah, I think there's another. I'm sure I'm missing something there. No. Yeah, I'm sure the Amstrad one has music all the way through it. Oh, trap. No, it's not there. Alright, so I think you just jump here, don't you? There you go, yeah. Let's jump off there. Actually, I missed the window, haven't I? Here. Yeah, you go. Put the window back. But I can't remember, where'd you get the snorkel from? I can't remember. Ah. I've been down there before, I can't remember what you do there. Do you need a spade? Shall I show you? Let's show you how to re-die, look. See, trap gets you. There is music. Yeah, so that's a little bit of gameplay on Treasure Island Dizzy. For the, well, I'm playing on ZX Spectrum. 128k plus 2, but this is just a 48k game. Oh no, it's 128k, plus 2 and plus 3. But yeah, it's a great game. I remember getting quite far in it as a kid. I think it still holds up, I do. I think there's a lot to do in them. And I can't remember where the snorkels are, but I think they're up in the treehouse somewhere. But yeah, so great game. I recommend it. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one.